It's not about more space, it's about the right space. It might just be time for you to invest in a quality garden room.
So these KPIs are something that we really...
Look, I don't know if you can hear me because I certainly can't hear you. Do you actually think that this workspace of yours... Are you actually...
Hello?
Listen, I work from home, but my boss doesn't like the scene. What am I going to do?
Simple, mate. Invest in a proper garden building. It goes up faster than your boss's temper, it's tougher than his targets, more stylish than his best suit.
This is so unprofessional. That's got to be...
Ambassador. Crafted for life.